welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making breadcrumbs, as you can see. So before we get right into this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Okay, so yeah, for these breadcrumbs, you'll be needing bread, sliced bread. You can use wheat bread if you want to, but I have just white bread. So the next thing you'll be doing is to toast your bread. I'm toasting mine on a fry pan. Actually, I don't have a toaster. If you have a toaster, just do that. That's the easiest way to toast your bread. So you toast your bread, and while you're doing it on this fry pan, the next thing you have to do is start flipping it over, because you don't want it to get burnt. So you need to start checking it, like flipping it over until you get a satisfied brownish bread. So as you can see here, I was checking if it's getting brown already, but it wasn't. But at this point, it was already getting brown, so I flipped it over so it wouldn't get burnt. So it got to a point where I was already satisfied with the brownish part. It was so hot, trust me. It was really hot. So if you're doing this method, please make sure you're careful enough. Okay, so the next thing you'll be doing is to transfer it into your blending machine, your blender, and blend. Don't mind me, I love toast bread a lot, so don't mind me eating. Okay. So you start blending. I'm sorry, I forgot that I wasn't recording while I started blending, but it has no two ways to it to blend. Just blend it until you can see it powdered, but not too powdered. It has to have some lumps in it, as you can see, like so. So that's the end of this video. Very easy, right? Like so easy. So you transfer it into a jar and cover it up with a lid, and make sure it's properly covered, and it can actually stay for 2 to 3 weeks. I prefer to refrigerate mine, so after these are refrigerated, so it can stay longer, I guess. So you can use this to coat fried chicken or hot dog, just to make it more crunchy. And that's it. That's all. That's the end of this video. See you guys in my next video.